Hello students. Since we are under lockdown, we are not able to conduct regular classes, and that's the reason I decided to create few videos which I can share with you all so that we can continue with our process of learning. Sometime back, we had a session on Selenium testing wherein we got a glimpse into using the Selenium IDE offered by the Firefox browser. We have seen how the IDE can be used to effortlessly record scripts. We also saw how it can be exported as a Java program and can be run inside Eclipse. Some of you had encountered difficulty in getting access to the jar files. So through this tutorial, I intend clearing your doubts on the same. Since you all are already acquainted with recording scripts, I shall show you how we can write small programs for the purpose of testing small features on a page. Let's get started. So before we proceed further, let us first try to understand what a WebDriver is. WebDriver is nothing but a web automation framework that allows you to execute your tests against different browsers, not just Firefox, unlike Selenium IDE. So if you like, you can execute your script against a different browser as well, maybe Chrome. WebDriver also enables you to use a programming language in creating your test scripts. It also allows you to use conditional operations like an if then else or maybe a switch case. You can also use looping constructs like do while, etc., which a Selenium IDE does not let you do. Also, let me tell you that Selenium is not specific only to Java. You can use WebDriver and connect to various other languages like .NET, PHP, Python, Perl, Ruby, etc. So since we are going ahead with our program in Java, and also I intend showing you how to play your script in a Chrome browser. These are the prerequisites for running my script. So you can download the Chrome driver from the link provided here, and the Selenium jars that are required, the WebDriver jars, would be available at the link which is listed here. I'll just show it to you. So this is the page from where I got my Selenium jars. You can just scroll down and have a look here. So it's saying Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. Under this, you can go under Java and you may download your jars from here. This link here. Also, you can download your Chrome driver from this link. So please check your version of Chrome. Accordingly, you may download the driver which suits for your Chrome browser. As in my case, it was 80, so I downloaded this. So now that we have all the necessary files that we need, so let me start with my Java program. I'll create a new Java project. Let me give it a name. So here you can see a new project has been created. It is called as Selenium trial. Now within this I will add a class. Let me name this as trial. So you can see a default package is created, and within that I have my class, trial class. Let me add all those files which I have downloaded. So for that I will go under properties, and here you have to go under Java build path. Okay, this is the place where we need to go, and select add external jars. So what you need to do is go and locate your jars. So my jars are under my downloads. I will add these two first. There are some more, so these are under library. You can mark all of it and just add it over here. Okay, so this is how we add our jar files. Now let's start writing our program. So this is my script. Um, so what this script is actually doing is we are trying to launch a page using my Chrome, and what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to compare the title of the page with a specific title and trying to see whether it is the same as given as listed in my program. So before we start, we need to import our Selenium WebDriver. So this statement here does that. As you can see, we have used this statement here to give link to the Chrome driver. So my Chrome driver is in my downloads, and I'm setting the system property here to Chrome. I'm creating a new instance of a driver, and it's my Chrome driver, and I'm setting the base URL to the page which I want to open. So that's gmail.com. The title which I'm testing it against is Hello World. So this is what I have listed here under expected title. You can see I have taken a blank string that is actual title. So here, using my driver, I'm trying to get the base URL. Okay, so I'm through this statement, I'm launching my browser and I'm trying to open gmail.com. Next, here you can see I'm making use of my blank string actual title and I'm trying to get the title of the page via the driver. So this statement lets me do that. So whatever is the actual title will be saved in this string called actual title. Here I have used if and else statements to compare the title. So what I'm trying to do is I'm comparing the actual title with the expected title. So if it is same as per what I have given in my program, it will say test passed or it will say test failed. So since I'm opening gmail.com, the title there is definitely not going to be hello world. So my expected response, expected output would be test failed. Okay, so let us try to run this. So we can see the browser is launched. Please excuse my net, it's a bit slow. You can see Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. This is happening via script, so this message is being displayed. So you can see the page is launched and internally the comparison has also happened and we see that the result is test failed. So let us try to print the actual title. So you can see here the actual title is getting printed The actual title of the page is Gmail. So if my expected title was Gmail, I would have got a result as test passed. So through this very basic script, we can see that we can use looping constructs, we can use if then else, and minor comparisons, etc., which we want to carry out on the page. Minor things that we need to test can be easily done, which is actually difficult in the Selenium IDE, because there things function mainly by recording, and you cannot use all of these constructs. So students, now that you all have understood the process, I'm sure you all can test your applications by using the various constructs which are available in your programming language, that is Java. Also, with regard to file IO, it is a critical part of any software process. We frequently create a file, open it, and update something or delete it in our computers. So same is the case with Selenium automation. We need a process to manipulate files with Selenium. So Java also provides this feature to us. We can use different classes for file manipulation with Selenium. So for that purpose, you will require the following packages. You can download the Java IO package and the Apache POI library. Through that, you can interface with Excel. And if at all you want to test your application with a range of values, all of that can be possible by using these libraries. So with this, I'm ending my tutorial. Thank you for listening, students, and kindly try it out.